In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside mirror glass on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the outside of your vehicle, near your driver's door and your passenger door. Let's get into it. To prevent the glass from breaking on the mirror, the old one, I'm just going to use some masking tape and just tape it up. And I'm going to use a pick. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get behind the glass, and there's some clips. Just want to pop it off the clips. Just pop that out. There's a connector here. I'm going to disconnect the connector. There's a little retainer right there. Pop that retainer off. And then right here, there's a little tab. Get under that tab. Just using a pick. Pull that off. And there's the old mirror glass. With the new mirror, connect the connector, lock that in place, and push down the tab. We'll get this lined up. And you just want to push in the center. You don't want to push on the sides or you're going to crack the mirror. Just very carefully lock it in place. And then you can adjust it with the switch or just manually push it back a little bit. And that's locked in place and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.